as an Israeli organization, an organization that is based in Israel, that includes both Israeli and Palestinian staff, we wanted to also understand what our contribution to this discussion can be. And that was, I think, the realization that we can talk about the root causes of this genocide, about the horrific trigger that led to the genocide, the Hamas atrocities of October 7th, and we have a very strong call internationally to end, for the international community to get Israel to end it. There is a certain movement within Israeli public opinion, and especially since the horrific images of Palestinians being starved by Israeli policies in Gaza and children dying of starvation in Gaza have begun to emerge, even in Israeli media, in very rare, occurrences. This movement within Israeli public opinion still hasn't, I think, reached the mainstream. The dominant discourse in our society is still a discourse that justifies almost everything Israel is doing, not everything. I mean, I would like to be fair to Israelis. It claims that security and the need to protect ourselves from Hamas and to prevent another a horror like October 7th justifies these actions. This is still the dominant discourse. There is also extreme government gaslighting and denial of this, and we are working very hard internally within our society in order to counter that.